a plan, education, a vision, a plan, a platform, execution. Lunch with a boss.
Welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you guys for hey. Can we wake up a little bit? Look, I'm trying to wake up myself. Wow.
It was a 30-year vow.
Be strategic, be specific, be intentional, be equipped.
Something like that.
She's like, okay, well, I'll have a car. I was like,
Get in the room, make the connection. Knowledge is power. Let's eat. Education,